Welcome to part 2 of this mini class where I show you step by step how to grow your channel and hit that 1000 subscribers within 30 days. So yes, if you haven't watched part 1 of this mini class, please click on the link that I'm going to put somewhere here so that you can have a clear background of what we are actually talking about and you'll be able to implement them in your channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into number four. So number four, it's about content. Your content, you have to deliver value, because if you are not delivering value in your content, people, they are not going to stay. People, they need value. um uh when they, when you, even yourself, when you click on a video, you need to get some value out of the video. You understand? That's how you're going to get the subscribers that you want. So you need to deliver value. Your content has to be valuable, and value comes in four ways. Value can be inspirational, value can be entertaining, value can be relatable value, value can be educational value. So one of those four ways, one of those four types of values, it has to be offered within your content, right? So make sure that it's either your video you're giving entertaining value, it's either you're giving educational value, relatable. Let people, when they watch your video, if you are giving relatable, let people have that thing like, yeah, this person, she really got me there. Like, you are building an emotional connection with your audience, and that will help you in the long run, because once you do that, it even improves on your engagement. People would like to communicate with you more. People would like to comment because they can feel connected to you. When you give educational value, people, they feel like they're becoming better persons of themselves, better versions of themselves. So they would want to subscribe so that they will learn more from you. So make sure that your content is hitting those four. It doesn't have to hit all of the four, at least one. You get, at least it has to hit one at a time, like that. The other thing that I cannot forget to mention in this video is actually your thumbnail and your title. These two things, they are the ones that are the very most, like, they're very important, because if your thumbnail is flimsy and your title is boring, then you are not going to get any clicks. So you have to make sure that your thumbnail and your title, they are top notch. How do you do that? Right? Use ChatGPT. AI has made everything easy for us. When you customize your chat GPT, you customize it, you tell it who you're representing, who you are, or what type of brand you're representing, or you tell it um what your channel is all about, right? And then first, you can ask ChatGPT, give me examples of titles that I can actually use for for this video, and ChatGPT will give you those examples, and then you have to choose from there, right? The other thing that secret tip that I want to give you guys, when it comes to thumbnails and titles, you have to make sure that when those two they must have what is called a curiosity gap. When you create a curiosity gap between your thumbnail and your title, it will drive people to click on your video. So it will increase the click through rate to your video, because when people look at the thumbnail and the title, they need to understand, they need to have that curiosity to, like, be like, what is this video all about? You get the point? So yes, work on your thumbnail, work on your title. Thumbnails, what is actually converting right now on thumbnails is they are thumbnails that are having high contrast. So learn about color, learn about how you can, bring that high contrast. Your thumbnail must not be clustered, too many words, too many things. You understand? It needs to be clear, not too many things going on there, clear background, fewer words, less than 5 words. So all of these things, you have to learn them. You have to learn them and put them to work. And within 30 days, guys, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers, and it is possible. It's possible. Number six. Number six is you're going to use shorts. Shorts are making channels to explode as far as subscribers are concerned. So you are going to use shorts. You know, there is one trick that I actually learned about shorts. What you do with shorts is once you post your shorts, you don't post shorts immediately, like as soon as you upload a video, then you post a short. No, you don't post shorts like that. You have to wait like a day. That's one thing that I learned. You have to wait like a day or 2 days, right? Whilst the long form video is gaining momentum. So now you are going to use that long form video to repurpose it into shorts. So what you are going to do is to take pieces, right, of clips of your long you're going to take pieces of clips of your long form videos where the topic was at its climax, and then you cut those clips. That's what you repurpose as your shorts, and then you connect them, right, to your long form video. You use a link, you connect them via a link, so that when somebody is watching the short, right, as soon as the short finishes, there is a link that they can click if they want to watch the long form video. The reason being is because shorts are distributed. They're actually yes, they're distributed, like they exposed to a larger audience on the platform. Yes, shorts are exposed to a larger audience on the platform. So it's a very good way to actually maximize and get your video to be seen by as many people as possible. And when they are seen by as many people as possible, most of them are highly likely to come to your long form videos and subscribe. So make sure that the shorts that you repurpose, right, are related to your niche, because you do not want to get subscribers who are not going to be watching your videos, because the whole purpose of this whole thing is for us to be able to make money out of YouTube. You get the point? So the people that we are getting from shorts, they are people that must be interested in our long form videos, right? So make use of short. Okay, guys, so we'll have to end this video right here so that it doesn't have to be too long. But I want you guys to click on the link right here. I'm going to put a link here for part 3. Otherwise, part 1 and part 2 will really not make sense if there is no conclusion to everything that we have shared right now in this mini class. Right, so if you like the information that we are sharing, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe so that you'll not miss any single video that we post every single week, right? So thank you guys for watching.